Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word poco in depth. First, the definition. Poco means a small amount or slight degree, often in music tempo markings. Think of it simply as a tiny step or gentle change. Sometimes it means a little in Italian or musical instruction. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Poco traces back to Italian, meaning little or slightly, used since the 18th century. Over time, it's been commonly used by composers and musicians to guide performance style. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use poco in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The musician played the piece with a poco ritardando to gradually slow down the tempo. Correct example 2. She added a poco sweetness to the sauce for better flavor. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to poco my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using poco correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap, poco means a small amount or slight degree, often in music. It comes from Italian meaning little, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with poco down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.